Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So after pushing those two files into the Ansible and the Kubernetes server respectively, now we will learn that how to create or build the image using that Docker file, and we will create this Docker image in our Ansible and the Docker server. Okay. Later we will learn that how to push that Docker image to the Docker Hub. Okay. So let's start. Now we already created the file for this for creating this image. Okay. We just need to execute the command to create the image. Okay, so we will create the image with the tag. Okay, now what is this tag? Now this tag will help us to push the image to our respective Docker Hub directory. So I have one Docker Hub direct account. Okay, I have one Docker Hub account here. Okay, you can able to create this Docker Hub account. Just go to the hub.docker.com, click on this sign up, and using your email ID and own username password, you can create your own Docker Hub account. Okay, it's a very simple process. Okay, anyone, I guess anyone can create this. It's like a create a email or create a GitHub account. Okay, so if I sign in here, then my username is this one, Ujjal Roy. Okay, and it's asking for the password. Just continue with the password. I'm able to log in to my Docker Hub. Okay, so here you can see there is a one image is saved here, and as this is my account username, I will use only this as a image Docker image tag to tag the newly created image. That will be helpful for me to push that image to this Docker Hub account. So let's see how we can able to push that image. First of all, just copy the previous stage, paste it here, and we don't require all these lines, so this line I'm removing and entering the name of this stage as a create Docker image with tag. Okay, creating Docker image with tag. So now where is our Docker file currently? It is now in the Ansible server where our Docker software is already installed, right? So we need to log in that Docker server first. So the command is, this is the sh command. Okay, as we all know, we previously created the same thing. So I will ssh to that server from this Jenkins, and we require the private IP, correct? So private IP for the Ansible server, right? For the Ansible server. So Ansible or Docker server, this one. This one is the same. I just copied it and paste it here. I will come to the directory /home /ubuntu, because here in this server here the file is already stored, right? So I have logged into the Ansible server and present working directories /home /ubuntu, right? So I came to this directory now. Now I will create the Docker image. Okay, so again executing the same command Okay, and create the image. Docker command is docker image build hyphen t for the tag. What I have said, as my account username is this one, I will use this, and then I will use the job name, that is DevOps project. So I am using this keyword to create the image with the same name and colon v1 dot build id. What is the build id? So build id is the same as this one. This is the build id. So whenever I will create the image, my image name will be this one, the username slash job name. What is the job name? DevOps hyphen project colon version 1 point whatever the build id. If it is created in the build number 10, then it will be the build 1.10. So that's like it will create, and where it will be created, in that same directory, that is the full stop I have mentioned here, that is in the present directory. Okay, so I need this and I need to create another one. Okay, why? Because whenever I require the latest one, I can use this tag also. Okay, to download the latest image from the DockerHub. All right, so just apply it. Okay, now execute the command. From here, click on the build now. Let's see. Wait for a couple of minutes. And okay, we have got a failed script. We have got a failed error. Let's see what is the error here. Okay, it shows saying slash Ubuntu is our directory. Okay, we should mention here as a cd. So change directory. Okay, now run the build now again. Let's see. Okay, fine, it's created. Okay, so all the command executed successfully. So here you can find out that from my Docker file, it's there is 9 steps. From Ubuntu latest, it is downloaded the image. Now it's installed. Okay, install the packages whatever I have mentioned. Now work directory, that is the var www html. All right, and then we have run this wget with along with this file. So it downloaded these files. Okay, and again it is copied the everything inside the www html. Now again it is remove the non-required files and the directories whichever I have mentioned here. Again using the command cmd, we have created this one. So whenever the container gets executed or container will run, it will execute the command automatically, so that my website will be up automatically after running the container. So successfully built, that means my image already built there. So let's log into the Ansible and if you run the docker images command, you can find out that this this one is the Ubuntu image, operating system image, and in this operating system image it was 78 MB, and in this image we have made some couple of changes, and for that it come to the 255 MB, and you can find out that version 1.8 has been created as because this one was the build number was 1.8, that's why it's 1.8 created, and another one we have created the latest. So there are two image created successfully. Okay, so as of now we have perfectly created the three stages. Okay, in our next video we will see how can we push this image to the hub.docker.com. Okay, so see you, bye bye, and if you find this is useful for you, please like and comment and share the video. Thank you everyone, bye bye.